The project was in Brazil. So, as you may know, Diageo is the world leader as regards premium alcohol beverages. So when Adriana Favaro came to me, she said that Diageo has a challenge. They would like to improve and recognize more knowledge on their clients. Having just gender and buying preferences for their e-commerce was not enough. So she asked me, how can you supercharge their own data set? So let's see the steps that I had to promote this project. So on one hand, I had Diageo's ID, having, as I said, just gender and buy-in information. On the other hand, we had the Kantar Media TGI study. So we had to create a mathematical transport to get Diageo's ID into the TGI data set. So to use this process, I had a model using statistical matching, logic rules, lots of logic rules, and also weighting process. And so we had the final and integrated data set onto the TGI. That's amazing. It is Diageo inside TGI information, and now Diageo can cross-reference all the information that TGI has. At this point, I'm pretty sure that you have a question for me. So, Cristiani, is it possible to process in the opposite direction? Can you put TGI information into the first-party data? Trust me, it is possible. Let's see deeper steps of this project. That's the beginning. I just had 6 segments about buying preference on the Diageo's e-commerce. For each one of the segments, I had just gender information, as you can see on the graph. But what else could we know? And how mathematics could help on this journey? I'll give the answer. So mathematics can help using our data enablers capabilities to unlock information and discover what each one of the segments represents. So let's unlock more demographics profiles, opinions from each segment, buying preference, and last but not least, discover more media opportunity to achieve reach. After Diageo has our data enablers working on their data set, they could discover more and more demographics related, for example, to the vodka enthusiasts. They could recognize as well buying preference from vodka shoppers, and also, and more important, the media consumption for each one of the segments, as you can see on the graphs. So just wrapping it up, this project, Diageo has a challenge that was, I would like to see more and more references about these segments. Our data enablers supercharged their own data set, and now they could recognize more aspects from each one of that. According to the client, after data enablers touched the data set, they could establish new partners to the e-commerce, optimize content and media opportunities, and apply assertive communication to reach their brand strategy. Mission accomplished, and we have processed this product for more than once, so we are very proud of that. Yeah, I wonder that you will be the next to think as Marco Fradi from Diageo. Receiving a quote like that is the best gift that a science can have.